triangle if they given two angles and the side between them, nothing but included side. Today we are going to learn construction of right angle triangle if they given hypotenuse and a side. Today we are going to construct a right angle triangle with the help of hypotenuse and other side. Other side is nothing but adjacent side of hypotenuse. Centimeters and AB 5 centimeters. So with these given measurements we should construct a right angle triangle. The given right angle at A and BC is hypotenuse 6 centimeters and AB we should treat as a base as a 5 centimeters. So now here first we should draw a rough sketch. So first we should draw a line segment AB 5 centimeters. After that, we should draw a ray AX by making angle 90 degrees. And by using compass with 6 centimeters radius, we should draw an arc to intersect AX at C. Then we should join BC. The required triangle is formed. So here, like this, we should draw a rough sketch first of all. This is 6 centimeters. This is 6 centimeters. So next, first draw a line segment of length 5 centimeters. So we should draw a line segment of length 5 centimeters. So first I am drawing a line segment by using ruler, length 5 centimeters and we should name as an AB. So like this I am drawing 5 centimeters. And name as AB 5 centimeters. We draw a line segment. Next, second step, we should construct angle with center A by making an angle 90 degrees by using protractor. So the pointer of protractor we should place at the center A and the edge of the protractor should be aligned with line segment or coincide with line segment AB. So here we should represent, we should place like this. The point of protractor should be, we should place at the center A. Now right angle. Right angle is nothing but exactly 90 degrees. So here it is right angle 90 degrees. After that we should draw a ray by using ruler. We should draw a ray like this. Name as a AX. Here it is 90 degrees. After that, by using compass, we should take BC 6 centimeters. So here 5 centimeters we got, adjacent sides we got, but what we are using? Yes, hypotenuse. So BC is a hypotenuse. So by using hypotenuse and the adjacent side, that is side, either it is height or base, and by using right angle we are constructing the right angle triangle. So now we should take the measurement radius 6 centimeters by using compass and ruler. So 6 centimeters we should take like this. Here this is 6 centimeters. Now take the exact measurement 6 centimeters. Like this. We should take 6 centimeters. Now this pointer of the compass we should place at the center B, and we should draw an arc. It will intersect the AX ray at C. Now by using ruler we should join B and C. By using ruler we should join B and C like this. The required triangle ABC, right angle triangle ABC is formed. Steps of construction. After constructing the triangle, right angle triangle ABC, you should write the steps of construction. First step, draw a rough sketch of triangle given measurements. So we should draw a rough sketch of triangle by using given measurements. So next step, second step, draw a line segment of length 5 centimeters. So we should draw a line segment by using ruler, length 5 centimeters. Next, third step, draw a ray AX making an angle 90 degrees with AB or center A with AB or center A. We should draw a ray AX by making angle 90 degrees. Next, fourth step, draw an arc with radius 6 centimeters from B. So we should draw an arc by using compass and ruler with radius 6 centimeters. So it will intersect the AX ray at point C. Now join B comma C. Join B comma C. The required triangle ABC is formed. So the required triangle ABC is which type of triangle? Right angle triangle. When we will say as a triangle as a right angle triangle, one angle is a right angle, then the triangle is said to be a right angle triangle. So in this way we will construct the right angle triangle with a given hypotenuse and a side. Worksheet on construction of triangles. Construct a right angle triangle ABC such that right angle at B and AB 8 centimeters and AC is 10 centimeters. So here we should construct a right angle triangle ABC. The given measurements are right angle at B and AB is 8 centimeters and AC is 10 centimeters. Thank you. Keep watching.